Hey everybody, it's Brooke with WTI.
When I was pregnant with my son, I was working as a server in a restaurant, so I needed some major support while I was on my feet all day. This KeaBabies belly band was absolutely perfect for that. And now that I'm on my second pregnancy, just chasing a toddler around my house and in general to save my back, this belly band is perfect. The Velcro is super easy to attach, and I love that the sides are mesh, so it is breathable. This is perfect and it is so easy to take care of. This one is over 2 years old and I use it all the time and it is very easy to clean. I just throw it in the washing machine in a lingerie bag. I like to wear a tank top under it just so I don't get itchy, but it is so comfortable.
No matter where you're at in your pregnancy, I highly recommend this KeaBabies belt. It has been so helpful for taking some pressure off my back and my lower belly, and it's so comfortable. You barely even know it's there. And that's my point of view.